Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Kia, and in today's video I will be doing my full wash day routine. Briogeo sent me some goodies, so I am going to show you what they sent me, and then we're going to jump right into the wash day. So make sure you stay until the end because my stylist put me on to a new foam. And while I have like a day 7 wash and go right now, I will be twisting my hair. So we're gonna twist my hair wet, and this is just gonna be an awesome wash day. So make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see what Briogeo sent me. All the things that are in the Briogeo PR. So just stay tuned and let's go start washing our hair.
Taking notes of my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room full of notes. What you following me for? This ain't a fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? It's 'cause you blind like a C4. Blind like a C4. 20 ball rolling. Big IDs in the
I love this shampoo. Oh my. Why am I so late to this shampoo?
Rainbows flowing, light skin chick, first flight from Poland.
Oh my gosh.
A whole lot of friends, first flight from Poland. Why? 'Cause they loving the crew. They loving the crew. They loving the crew. Oh, they loving the crew. Oh, they loving the crew. They loving the crew. They loving the crew. They loving the crew.
Yeah. Smoking weed under star projectors. I guess we'll never know what Harvard gets us. But seeing my family have it all took the place of that desire for diplomas on the wall. And really, I think I like who I'm becoming. There's times where I might do it just to do it like it's nothing. There's times where I might blow like 50K on a vacation for all my soldiers just to see the looks on all their faces. All it took was patience. I got a lot of friends.
I can't say his name because he's cheating. I'm out in Miami, ho.
There's times where I might do it just to do it like it's nothing. There's times where I might blow like 50K on a vacation for all my soldiers just to see the looks on all their faces. All it took was patience. I got a lot of friends to come up off the strip for me. The same ones that'll come up off and hit for me. The real to say your lyrics do shit for me. I told my story, then made his story. Tell him I'ma need reservations for 20. I never really been one for the preservation of money, nah. I'd much rather spend it all while I'm breathing. That OVO and that XO is everything you believe in, I know it.
Oh, they loving the crew. Oh, they loving the crew. They loving the crew. Oh, they loving the crew. They loving the crew. They loving the crew.
So here we are. I just put my twist in using the foam from AG Care. Make sure you try it out. I believe that the affiliate code is Kia20. So I love AG Care products. But yeah, so my hair is wet and I never ever air dry. So I will be sitting under the dryer. I have my phone. I'm gonna catch up on Instagram a little bit. Make sure you follow me. I'm Curls with Kia. And y'all, these twists look so good. They are so juicy. I love how my hair is now. It's amazing. So I'm gonna come out once these dry, and then I'll probably see you tomorrow and I'll close the video out. So y'all, I am just so happy. It didn't take me long to do this at all. Like, I'm back because I wanted to give this serum a try, and this is something I can't really speak to unless I've used it for a significant period of time. But I'm going to start today and give you some first impressions. So this is their Distance for Density. I feel like I have very dense hair, so you're probably thinking, do you even really need this? But I do want to give this a try so I can go ahead and recommend it to others if they're looking for products like this. This serum is caffeine and biotin peptide density serum. No harsh sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. And it does not smell like anything. And look at this, guys. Like, I love a good serum. We are here. It is the next day. And I'm assuming that these twists are dry. I have to keep my glasses on because your girl is blind. Yeah, let's go ahead and take these twists out. And let's see. I feel like I have really good definition. So this is gonna be nice. And I hope it looks cute because I have to go somewhere. Now you can, some people use oil when they take their twist outs, but I don't feel like I need to. Not today. I just really like the way my hair feels. Like, it feels soft, but it doesn't feel like, it feels like a little crunchy enough to hold up, but it's still like bouncy, and my hair looks a little shiny, and I don't even have any oil on it or anything. And I'm just so happy that this came out cute, because let me tell you, I was concerned because I typically do my hair on stretched hair. You can see some of my videos. I use the Rev Air. And I like the way that that looks because it makes my hair look longer too. See, I don't like how this one looks, you know. So if you get something like that, if I was really pressed and I had time, I could separate that into two and then twist it and use a little bit of product. But I don't care that much. Like, it's the back of the head and I'll probably do it overnight. So these twists turned out, they're so like, the volume is there. One day I'm gonna take like each little part and pick it out and see what that looks like, but not today because it is so hot outside that I need my hair to last, okay? And this foam from AG, not only does it act as a heat protectant, but you want that under the dryer, but also to stand up against the heat. It's like UV protection. And shop that foam, y'all. Just go ahead and try it because, you know, I love everything that the Do is doing. At the same time, the Do, like DOUX. At the same time, I want people to experience all types of products, and that's it. Like, if you have the means, just go ahead and, you know, maybe try something new that I recommend or somebody else recommends, just to see like what the experience is like, because the experience might be better. So, all right, here we go. Now you can pick it out. You can, you know, move this to this side or whatever you want to do. I have like one more in, but I like it. And since I've been washing my hair every week, or at least like, no, it's been like every week, I know that this will last me for the week, hopefully, and then I can just wash my hair again. This new method of me washing my hair more frequently, I just feel lighter. Like, I always felt clean, but now I just feel like cleaner. I hope y'all understand what I mean. All right, y'all, here you go, up close. And as far as the products, I love the products. The Scalp Renewal shampoo was nice. The lather, one thing about Briogeo products is that they're so rich. They feel so rich. As far as the Don't Despair Repair conditioner, I keep hearing that some people don't like it. Y'all, I really like it. So you got to try it for yourself. I do know it's a little expensive, so that may be something to consider, but there's always a sale. And Briogeo is available at Ulta and Sephora, so it's really easy to find. I like the leave-in. I would prefer a little bit more hold or tackiness on it, but it really made my curls come alive more so. And then pairing that with the mousse, the actual like styler for me, was a great combo.